Hello students, today we'll talk about this preparatory examination 25-26 of second PUC Maths. So let's see how this question paper came. We will discuss all the objective type problems. So let's see the first question. So the first question is a function f from R to R defined by f of x equals to 3x plus 6 is bijective. It is already given, it is a bijective mapping. Then f inverse x is given by. So how to get f inverse x? It is very simple. Y equals to 3x plus 6. Then y minus 6 upon 3 equals to x. So it will be y upon 3 minus 2 equals to x. Then replace x and y. So first answer will be correct. Second question. Match the column 1 with column 2. You can see range of sin inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Range of cos inverse x, close interval 0 to pi. Tan inverse x range is R. So it is by definition only V option is correct. Next, the product of matrices A and B is equal to a square matrix. If the order of the matrix B is 2 by 3, then what is the order of the matrix A? Okay, so here we have two matrices A and B, and we don't know order of A. We need to find order of the matrix A, but we have order of the matrix 2 into 3. Okay, and also given that the product of the matrices A and B, it's a square matrix. Square matrix means it should be here and here, same number of rows and same number of columns. So suppose the order of matrix A is m by n. So if AB is defined, it means n value must be 2. Okay, also given that AB is a square matrix, then what is the final order of AB? Final order of AB will be m by 3. So if this is 3, this also has to be 3. It means the order of the given matrix A would be m by n, that is m value is 3 and n value is 2. So 3 by 2 is the correct answer. Okay. This question. If A is a square matrix of order 2 and data is 3, then what is data inverse? It's very easy. There is a formula. Data inverse is nothing. It is 1 upon data, and data given 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. C option correct. Next, question number 5. Y equals to cos root x. Then what is the derivative of y? So derivative of cos is minus sine root x, and then by using chain rule, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So answer is minus sine root x upon 2 root x. D option correct. Next, y equals to x power 20, and they have asked you the second order derivative. So do 20 x power 19. One more time, 20 into 19 x power 18. So 20 into 19, 380. Option C is correct. Question number 7. See the question. The age of a cube is increasing at the constant rate. Okay. Suppose there is a cube whose age we will assume, suppose it is x centimeter initially, and it is given that the age of a cube is increasing at a constant rate. It means dx by dt is constant. It is given to us. At the moment when the age is 2 centimeter long, the rate at which the volume of the cube is increasing. Okay, so we have to find dv by dt, and we know what is the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is side into side into side, that is x cube. Okay, so what is dv by dt? It will be 3x square and dx by dt, and dx by dt is given constant. So the answer will be 3x square dx by dt is constant. And they ask when the age is 2 centimeter, it means x value 2. So answer is 3 into 2 square into c. So 2 to the 4, 12c centimeter cube per second. But you can see here there is no option is given, so it means none of option is correct. It's a grace mark question. Next, question number 8. The point of inflection for the following graph. You can see this graph is changing its behavior. It's changing its concavity at x equals to 0. So point of inflection is at x equals to 0. Now 9th question. Integration. Split this. 2 upon cos square x minus 3 sin x upon cos square x. Okay, so 2 upon cos square is 2 sec square x minus 3 sin upon cos 10 and 1 upon cos is sec x dx. So integration of sec square 10x minus 3 sec x 10x integration is sec x plus some constant. So option A is correct. This next 10th, what is the value of 0 to 1 x e power x dx? Okay, so according to integration by parts, first function as it is integration of second e power x integration e power x minus derivative of x is 1 integration of e power x is e power x dx and limit 0 to 1. So x e power x minus e power x limit 0 to 1. When you put x value 1, upper limit 1 minus 1 0 and lower limit 0 minus e power 0. So answer will be plus 1. B option is correct. Next, question number 11. Question number 11. The unit vector in the direction of this is, so very easy. A vector is given, we need to find a cap. A cap is nothing, it is vector A upon mod A. So what is mod A? 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and 1, 4, 9, 13, 1, 14. So 2i, 3j, 2i, 3j plus k, root 14. Option A is correct. 12. Statement 1. If either vector A0 or vector B0, then A dot B 0. If either vector A0 or vector B0, then A dot B 0. What is A dot B? A dot B formula is mod A mod B cos theta equals to 0. Okay, so now if this is 0, then this quantity is 0. If this 0, then this quantity is 0. It means statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 is correct. Now what about statement number 2? Statement number 2 says that A cross B equals to 0, then A perpendicular to B. It is not. It is not. Actually, whenever A cross B is 0, that time your vectors are linear vectors or linear vectors. That time angle between them either 0 degree or 180 degree. Okay, so statement 2 is false. So option A is correct. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Next, 13. If a line makes pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4 with the x, y, z axis respectively, then its direction cosines are. We know what is direction cosines? L, M, N. L is cos alpha, M is cos beta, and N is cos gamma. Alpha given pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 0, and beta given pi by 3, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, and it is pi by 4, so it is 1 by root 2. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Option D is correct. Next, 14. Two cards are drawn at random without replacement. Very important. Without replacement means they are dependent events. They are dependent events. From a pack of 52 playing cards, then the probability that both the cards are black. Pack of 52 cards, there are 26 black cards. So if you draw the first card, that time what is the probability? Favorable upon total. So 26 upon 52. But once you get a black card, then total black cards in the remaining 25 only. So then probability will be 25 upon, and total cards one is already drawn 51. So 26 2 ja 52. So answer is 25 upon 2 into 51, 102. Option C is correct. Next, 15. If A is a subset of B and probability of A is non-zero, then what is P B by A? So it's a conditional probability. What is the conditional probability formula? P B by A means P B intersection A upon P A. And already given that A is subset of B. A is subset of B, it means A intersection B, it is nothing, it is A only. So it is PA by PA. PA cancel 1. So the answer is 1. Next, fill in the blanks. Mod x minus 2 function. The function is continuous. Mod function always continuous, but not differentiable at 2. Obviously, mod x minus 2. This is the graph. So here function is not differentiable. Correct. At x equals to the absolute maximum value of the function x cube. You know x cube is the increasing function, so obviously the maximum value will be at the right endpoints. So at 2 it will attain its maximum, so maximum value will be 2 cube, which is 8. Next, find the number of arbitrary constants in a particular solution of a differential equation of third order. We know that particular solution do not have any arbitrary constant. It means number of arbitrary constant in a particular solution would be 0. If I, j, k are unit vectors, then what is the value of I dot I? 1, z cap j is 1, k cap k is 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Now this probability of B is 5 by 12, probability of intersection 4 by 12, and probability of A by B is k by 5. What is the formula of probability of A by B? P of A intersection B upon PB, and its value given k upon 5, and A intersection B probability is also given 5 upon 12. It is 4 upon 12. Probability of B also given 5 upon 12. 12 and 12 cancel. Just 5, this 5 cancel. It implies k value is 4. Okay. Now if you want to see the remaining paper, I will scroll up. Find the value of cos inverse 1 by 2 to sin. It's a very easy question. Sin 2, sin inverse 1 by 2 means pi by 6. Cos inverse 1 by 2, pi by 3. So what is the answer? Pi by 3, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Very easy. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given using determinant. It's very easy question. Derivative. Find the interval in which the function given by this is strictly increasing. Quite easy. You can apply the first derivative test to find the interval of increasing. Integration by from differential equation. Find the area parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors. Okay, so how to give area of a parallelogram? Mod A cross B you need to find. Find the vector and Cartesian equation in the line passing through the point and to the vector. Okay, it's also good. If A and B are two independent events, then P of A, P of B 1 by 2, then what is P not A and not B? Not A means A complement and means intersection, not B means B complement. It is 1 minus P of A intersect A union B. So P union B is very easy to find. PA plus PB minus P of A intersection B, because your events are independent, so P intersection B same as PA into PB. Now you can put the value and you can get the answers. Next, 30. Let T be the set of triangles. Okay, congruent always a equivalence relation. Easily you can prove it. It's also very easy from inverse trigonometry, and it's also quite easy question. You can see every question, two positive numbers, sum 15. So integration this can be done by using partial fraction method. This also from vector, very easy. Find the shortest distance. Shortest distance, what is the formula? You can see 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. They are the parallel lines. So shortest distance formula for the parallel lines will be B cross A2 minus A1 upon V vector. This is your A1 vector. This is your A2 vector, and they are parallel vector. So this is your B vector. Put in the formula, we will get the answer. And this from probability, from function, quite easy. This also proving also quite easy. This by matrix method is from derivative, quite easy to do. Find the integral of this derivation already I have discussed. We can go in the playlist integral and there you can find out. Okay, find the area enclosed by this ellipse by method of integration, quite easy. Find the general solution. Okay, in part E, prove that 0 to a fx dx 0 to f of a minus x. Quite easy. It's a king property, property number P4. If you want the proof, very soon I will discuss. This is from LPP, and show that this satisfy the equation. Find the value of k. Okay, this is from continuity, very easy. And point of inflection, this also I will do for you. This is a differentiable function. So how to get point of inflection? Point of inflection, in class I told you that if y is x cube, then you find y dash 3x square. Find y double dash 6x. Put y double dash equals to 0. It means 6x equals to 0. So x value 0. So point at x equals to 0, you may have a point of inflection provided your triple derivative, it should not be 0. What is triple derivative? 6. 6 is non-zero, so obviously x equals to 0 is a point of inflection. 0 comma 0 corresponding to x equals to 0, y also 0. So this is point of inflection.